Hey guys, Dreadkill54 here, and I am back with another video. This one will be kind of different. So the new trend is fidget spinner, so I just bought one. And we are gonna do some tests on it, like how fast can it spin, the quality, all that stuff. So let's get to it. Okay, so first we'll just start with opening it. Looks pretty good. It's cool. So now first let's do a spin test. I have a watch right here and I'm timing it, so 3, 2, 1, go. And guys, I'll just skip the video and come back every few, like 10 seconds maybe. So I'll see you in the next second basically. Okay guys, it's been just about a minute and it's still going really good. Yeah, so it just hit a minute, and I know it looks like it's going really slow when you're watching it, but from my view it's still going really fast, so see you at 2 minutes if it's still going. Okay guys, it's been the second minute and it's slowing down really slowly. I think it's gonna stop soon. It's about to stop. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. That is not bad. But now we're going to try some tricks. So first, bouncing out on my thumb. That's easy, I can do that. And the next, I'm just going to bounce it on all my fingers. Pointer, it's pretty good. Middle, that's good. Ring finger, that spins good. Pinky, that's gonna be hard. It's not bad. But now I'm gonna go for some real tricks. Okay, so I'm gonna throw it up in the air and catch it with my middle finger. Oh, I almost got it. Wait, respin. Ooh, yes, I did it. I got it on camera. Finally. The last time I tried spinning this one, I tried it again before the last pause, and it spun for 3 minutes and 12 seconds. So I don't know why it only spun for 2 minutes and 20 seconds this time, but I'm just going to try one more time I'll wait until my watch gets to a minute again. So, see you later. Okay guys, I'm back, so I'll spin it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Wait, that was a bad spin. There we go. That was an extremely good spin. And if you don't want to watch me do it, just skip to the end of the video and we'll see how long it spins. Still going. I'm pretty sure this one was a good spin. It's at 30 seconds and it's still going good. Still going. Why does it look like it's going so slow? I don't know why it does that. I'm just laying here on the floor. I have no life. But seriously, I'm just laying here on the floor. Okay, it's been 2 minutes and 20 seconds and it's still going good. So it's been 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Well, now it's been 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Let's see if I can beat my record of 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Come on. Ooh, it's still going in. It's been 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Yes, 2 more seconds. And I beat my record of 3 minutes and 12 seconds. That was a good spin. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video soon when it stops. Okay, so... Oh, it's going good. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. How much you want to bet that it's going to end at 3 minutes and 50 seconds? That's what I think it's going to end at. And I think I could be right. Come on, come on. And it's still going. Okay, 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I might be getting more fidget spinners, so stay tuned for more, and bye!